Alright guys, check it out. So the full LSD, Quaife LSD with 3.3 final drive is installed along with the Hotchkis Sway bar and also the Z1 Motorsports rear differential bushing. There's also white line bushings in the ears of the differential already put in. And we also picked up a Bell Raceworks rear diff brace. So that should make it a lot more rigid, and putting power down should be a lot more fun with this thing here. Give you a little bit of a better view from the front here. From what hopefully you can see that. And then yeah, so as far as the kit is concerned, I do need to do the vacuum lines next. And at the front here, I must have already shown you the oil pump assembly here. And so that's where we're at right now. This is going to be an interesting project because we next have to worry about the actual fuel system. So I actually have to put together a complete fuel system along with like the lines and everything. So that's going to be a bitch. But yeah, that's where we're at right now. So see you guys in the next video.